Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check DMs on Instagram. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the Instagram app, tap on it, and then once done, you can go ahead and tap on the paper plane icon at the very bottom. Just tap on it. If you got this pop-up, just tap on Not Now. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, here we have our DMs or the inbox section. And your inbox will display all conversations with unread ones listed first in bold text, okay, or highlighted text. Now, you have the request section right here. If someone you don't follow messages you, you'll be able to see their messages right here. Okay, so for desktop, all you got to do is just go to Instagram.com, and then in the left panel here, we have the paper plane icon as well. Well, you can just go ahead and tap on it, and here we have our DM section. Okay. That's how easy it is to check DMs on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.